We're back in the room. I realized there wasn't a lot of narration for this vlog. It started out me by waking up way too late. I saw that it was sunny and 52 degrees. 8 a.m. in the morning in December. And I thought, whoa, I could fly my drone. Went into the park, did a little practice run, did my box drills recommended by Flight Path, tried to do a figure eight. That didn't go out so well. Took some scenes in, came back. What did I do when I came back? Did a little workout, did a little filming. Bam, we did it. Guess what I put on today? Give Me Glow's Vivid Rose. I also bought Vintage Rose, which I missed out on. I think this released maybe a year or a year and a half ago. Kept on missing the restock. Heard amazing things about it. Saw it was available for the Black Friday sale they had on their site. Bought both of them. I did. I wanted to create as many looks as possible. Last night, I just applied the shadow on its own, combining different things, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't. I only had it on for 5 hours and it stayed pretty well. Maybe the shimmer started to wear a little bit, but I thought the opacity was consistent. I was surprised, however, that the hot pink, neon pink mattes did not stain. They didn't stain me. I do have the Hourglass eye primer on. I could only imagine, however, if you applied a lot of those shadows on, you might run the risk of staining, especially if your skin is susceptible to that. Nevertheless, though, I might do another B-roll session with Vintage Rose because I wanted to combine the green and that beautiful brick red matte. I'm really impressed, fam. Look at this. That is absolutely amazing. I also applied the shadows as blush and highlight. Like, can you even? I don't know when I'm gonna do this video though. I would like to film it tomorrow. Hopefully nothing will come in the mail or something, you know, I'll get another idea. I want to commit to that one. I want to film it tomorrow so I can edit it and have it up by that night or the next morning. You know, don't put expectations on yourself. Just do your best, Alicia. That's the plan. I'm gonna have my health coach shake, maybe a scone and cappuccino. I should have it later, but you know what? I'll keep you updated on that. And that's about it. I'll see you in a bit. Taught my 2 o'clock, had my scone as you saw. I was talking to a friend and then I saw the sky. It was hot pink and periwinkle. Was on the phone, try to be really polite and be like, can I call you back? Because I wanted to fly my drone, and for some reason my drone would not sync to my remote, and it was crushing, fam. I could not figure out why my little aircraft was not sinking. Turn it on, turn it off. Actually, I couldn't even turn it off. The light kept on blinking, and for me to turn it off, I had to take the battery in and out. The battery was getting hot, and the sky just changed. I mean, I was just too late. I was really upset. I'm over it, but I was really upset because ever since I got my drone, I had wanted to catch the sky when it was in these just beautiful colors. Like Alicia, that could happen again. It's because it was fairly warm, and the coming days is going to be low 30s, high 20s. Those aren't ideal temperatures to fly the drone in, although I've seen videos, people have attempted that before and the drone was fine. Nevertheless, it was just a missed opportunity, and I'm a little bummed. I am bummed. I'm Googling why does the drone Googling why won't my Mini 2 turn off? What does the blinking side mean? Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. It's raining tomorrow, but usually after it rains, sunset's pretty dope. So maybe I could catch it then. This might end the vlog. Depending on how much footage I have will determine whether I end the vlog here or continue tomorrow. Oh, and I always feel the need to address this. My dad built this. It's not falling on my head. Okay, fam. I'm always scared Alicia's gonna fall. It's not falling on my head. The construction is sound. He spent a lot of time on it to ensure that it will not fall on my head. Steel bars, okay? Screwed on tightly with those steel bars. It's fine. It's fine. Please, please don't mention it again. Goodbye, just in case, or I'll see you tomorrow, just in case. Good morning. Bathroom time. Today's cleanser of choice is the Good Molecules Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel. I lied, we brushed the teeth first. Now it's time to wash the face. Get a good lather. It's very dusty in my apartment. I feel like when I'm sleeping it all will, you know, lodges on into my skin, so we gotta get that off. And no, I don't think water is enough. Try not to dry all the way. I just dry around my eyes and my jawline because splash on some Neogen Real Firm and Micro Essence. So tap, 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 tap. Now it's time to put on the eye cream. Skin is a little damp, not as wet. Time to put on my Glytone. If you hear a humming, it's because the heat is on. Now that I just applied my Glytone, it needs to kind of sink in a little bit. That means let's go into this hair, okay? First step, release the Kraken. Second, spray bottle. Pattern curl gel. About that much will do. On the back and sides. So we can get that swirl and twirl, you know what I'm saying? I'm not filming right now. The sides, therefore, don't need to be flat. We'll just do one nice, clean go around. You know, I feel like that's enough. I was looking for this. My Sonicare toothbrush head cover was right in front of me. I know you're probably thinking, Alicia, you're disgusting. This is my Bay bag, the Units bag that I have been using thoroughly. So I keep this on standby with all the things that I need. My Aliens of Brooklyn Kinkysweat Collab flannel, which I should just hang up in the closet. I don't know what in the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? This towel I use to quick dry my brushes with, not so much rub them, but I squeeze out the excess water. Then I put them up on my brush cleaning shelf that I found out on Tina's channel, The Fancy Face. Hey Tina! And this is just my makeup towel when I decide to apply my makeup in the bathroom, you know, the few times that I do. I like to switch my color and just take off excess product with my towel. So that's why it hangs out here. I know it's not the most aesthetic choice, but you know what, it's okay. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. After the glide tone has settled a little bit, just a little bit, I go in with a touch of Dr. Sam's Brightly Serum. And you're like, Alicia, you said in your MT's video that you were simplifying it. Yes, fam, I know. This has azelaic acid in it, which is really great for antibacterial properties without being harsh like benzoyl peroxide, and also not allowing new bacteria to form. Dr. Sam explains it far more eloquently than me. So what I do, I apply this right here where I usually get my little bumps, you know, where I wear my mask most of the time. So I just apply this maybe every other day on top of the glide tone for preventative measures and to help also with the PIH. So fam, I'm taking like this much, like not a lot at all. And then I just tap it right here and a little on the forehead as well and around the temples. I don't get typically a lot of breakouts on my forehead, but around the jawline I do. So that's it. I just apply that much, you know, don't go crazy. And then I wait until I apply my Good Molecules, where is she? Silicone free priming moisturizer, because I really want the serums to just settle. Apply that, maybe put on some earrings. I'm in such a blah mood, fam. Oh gosh, it's rainy out, there's a snow something coming, I don't know what's happening. I am contemplating doing a little workout. You know, my workouts are not super intense. I focus on strength. I try to do 3 rounds of that set, strength exercise, or excuse me, 3 sets of maybe 3 different strength exercises. Today maybe I'll work on pistol squats because I'm terrible at those. And I would like to film, like I mentioned earlier on the vlog, Give Me Glow's Vivid Rose. But the lighting right now is questionable. I don't know if I'm gonna go forward with that idea. We shall see. I also want to film my Tuckahoe holiday set video. I don't know because it's not available anymore on Fude Beauty, and Beautylish only has the red holiday set, so I don't know if I should do that. So much stuff. I think I'll end the vlog here, fam. This actually was 24 hours since yesterday's nice beautiful walk, and today right now it is 9:39, which is around the time I concluded the walk. So we did like a full 24 hours ish. I always like to I can't talk right now. I pick random days to do my vlogs on. Sometimes I start them in the morning, sometimes I'll start them in the evening. You just never know. We'll conclude it here and we'll pick up again. Who knows when we'll pick it up again. Let me try to work out a little bit. I mean, it's the least I can do for my body. You know what I'm saying? And with that said, friends, it has been a pleasure. And on to the next. I will see you there.